Yeah, just do it because I think it's a requirement. Yeah. It pops out of gear sometimes if you jolt too much at first. So if it does pop out and you free rev it, just put it in neutral and stick it back into first.
Nervous to drive the Turbo Supra out there.
Right?
Nervous to go out on the track and Turbo Supra.
Oh, that's alright. Just take it easy, feel it, and then away you go.
Went from there, someone kicked out.
Yep. Don't have all don't have armbands. Probably. Yeah. Put it down.
That hot chick that's drifted too, like remember the
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yellow Mag. Yep. There's heaps of cars already out here too.
Yeah. Well, they sort of held us up a little bit there.
Let's see your gearbox. This one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. With the media too, the media.
Oh, yeah.
It's just media, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Got heaps in third, man. You can pretty much rev it all the way in third.
On your left,
yeah.
on your left.
Ah, nice.
I love boost.
By the time you get to the end of the straight, you're on limiter, so you might as well slow down from there. I use fourth to slow down if I'm going quick.
Yeah. Man, they're loving it. I'll put my thumbs up, man. Awesome drive. Yeah, loving it.
Next.
I love boost.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, man. Well done.
Oh yeah, go to the GDR if you can.
Yeah.
I'm curious. Let's do it. Keep it in second. Just get it ready. There we go, here we go. It's quick. It's fucking quick.
Have you gone it yet?
Nah, that was the first time.
Smashed Jared off the launch as well.
Yeah, oh, you would expect.
So good. You don't want to go that.
that wheel spin in second.
It's alright, eh?
I love it.
Just frustrating when you're trying to race someone.
Pretty sure Kate won.
Yeah, that's what I did before.
Nice, 3 abreast.
Yeah, I didn't get third.
Yeah.
Andy and James like, we're going to tease you because you didn't go for it. I was like, it's not my car, so I'm not going to go further than I think I can
Push it, yeah.
go with the car.
You don't drive this car every day, man.
Yeah.
Ah, they went up to choose, we tried. Just winding up. Right about now! Okay, just falling out of love me. I gotta fix that shit.
That was on acceleration, dude.
Yeah, just on gear change, just pops it out.
Those are the other fucking cars.
Hey?
Oh, there's no other cars close by.
You can always take a shortcut. Trying to get up a different sort of car challenges.
Yeah, there's nothing here, eh?
Shortcut on your right, the next one coming up.
Let's hope one of these guys will catch up. Okay. Self-run.
Hold it third. Just hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. There it is. You really feel pull up more?
Yeah. I'm just going for third, fourth, because I'm just revving your car right out, that's all.
Yeah, that's alright.
But she seems to fucking love it, eh?
Yeah, she loves it.
I'm gonna try and jump through.
Right there.
Can you hold this for us, man?
Yeah.
Still recording, I've just got to fix this gauge.
That's the one we're into, the SLR 5000. I can take him, mate, take him. SLR 5000.
Fuck, I don't know about that.
Yeah, and he's what I jumped into before. Yeah, yeah, same dude, man. Hey, how you doing, man? Right on, give it a go. Come on. Yes. All right. What are you gonna do, bro? I feel it.
I'm finding the end of third, Dan. Like, I need to go to fourth.
That was good.
Just as you get to the line, yeah, like you sort of change and
You
then
want
you
to
sort
keep
of...
going though, eh?
Yeah, you do. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, original. No, it's 383 Chev, man, that one.
Yeah.
3 block, He nodded, man. He nodded. GT, everybody, right? Yeah, he nodded.
You got a seatbelt on?
No, there. I'm just sitting on the thing, jacket to protect my ass from the buckle.
Yeah.
Dan, you're making me want my car sooner.
Lucky it's not a fucking year away.
It's alright, you'll have to go out in mine with the 700.
Yeah, that's what I'm fucking looking forward to. What do we got here? Yeah, you're like, what is it?
Hello? Yeah, why not? On a purple, eh? Bring slow down, get the chicks going, man. Get the chicks going.
Get the chicks going. You love juicing them, don't you? Nah.
Maybe.
Nah, too late.
Down the street, man.
All FD up there.
Oh, yes. I got eaten last time.
Blue one on your left, mate.
Yeah, alright. Bring it on. Go.
Yeah, bring it on. Come on, get there.
Woo! Alright, let's do it.
You're right.
Don't worry about it, it's cool, man. Yeah, shocked.
Maybe it'll down the straight the other side.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck, he's got nothing, man. We were leaving him in second.
Still want to race.
You wanted to finish it properly, didn't you?
You have to win. You have to win.
Actually, yeah. We might get FD on
Right
the
up
front
that
straight.
yeah.
We'll do it again down straight. Do it again.
Do it again. One more down here.
Oh, we're at traffic. So.
Yeah. Yeah, it's alright,
Fucking loss of traction, eh? Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, I don't mind it, but
It
you
gives
know.
it the people know the car has power when it's braking traction
Yeah.
at the tops of gears and shit.
Yeah.
That is one new car.
Loaded. Ride it.
Have you raced it?
No. I raced the silver one last time. Ate me for breakfast.
What? A blue Commodore?
No, it's an FD, man.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was an RX-7.
It is an RX-7.
Okay.
Also called an FD.
I think an RX-7.
RX-7 FD, yeah. Oh, the Skyline wants him. Let's go. Front straight. Let's do it. Slow it down. Come on. Fuck yeah.
We have a little bit of a head start, but he just took off.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
He's just fucking destroyed us.
Should have a much bigger turbo.
Yeah, probably.
The way you came up with the line like that.
Let's do it.
I don't like the landing around a corner.
Yeah, no, you gotta sort of, as you're coming up straight, you can plant it. Because the
On
LSD,
the outside, it's a lot less of a corner.
yeah. But then usually, the outside's good for bigger turbos.
Yeah.
Because you can wind up and then just take them. The inside's good for I don't think I have any tread left after this. I think it's time for some new tyres.
Which one? I don't think so.
No.
NP34 with some black.
Do it. Take that straight, take that straight. That's right. Yeah.
Give it straight, better to it straight. That fucking other GTR's pretty nuts. It's spinning them up and it's an all-wheel drive.
Shit.